Unraveling the meaning of disown. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into a word that you might have come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations: disown. What does it mean? When and how should you use it? Let's explore together. Disown is a verb, and it essentially means to refuse to acknowledge or maintain any connection with someone, especially a family member. It's like saying, "This person is no longer a part of my life or family." For example, a father might disown his son because he doesn't approve of his choices. A celebrity could disown past statements that they now regret. While the term disown often pops up in family contexts, it's versatile and can be used in various situations. 1. Family relations, the most common usage. It signifies the rejection or denial of a relationship. 2. After finding out about her criminal activities, her family decided to disown her. 3. Beliefs and statements, denying or rejecting a previous statement or belief. 4. He disowned his previous comments after realizing they were hurtful. 5. Material possessions, though less common, it can also mean to renounce rights or claims to possession. 6. She decided to disown the old house, leaving it for the town to manage. Understanding synonyms can further clarify the term's meaning. Here are some synonyms for disown: renounce, reject, abandon, repudiate. While they might be used interchangeably in some contexts, each term has its nuances. So, always be mindful of the context. We've now unraveled the meaning of disown. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the emotions and contexts they carry. We hope this video enriched your vocabulary and comprehension. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.